We've come to the Beacon and they have been building.
Both a fan of Lego and quite like just playing around.
Learning about teamwork, a little bit of programming, but also how to fit things together.
We've been building a robot and drawing a robot. Just going crazy, that's what we're basically doing.
We're always trying to look at how we can encourage people to come into the museum. A big part of that is knowing what museums offer. So with the funding opportunity, we thought, hang on, this is a good opportunity to engage with a group of people, with adults from all walks of life, but also with children who may not have the opportunity at home to have the financial clout to buy the kits. To have it on in the museum allowed us to then say to people, look, come and try it here if you want to try out something new, something that you may be a bit wary of because you're not sure how to do it. Come in and we'll show you and support you and open up the opportunities for you. STEM is a big thing in the local area, trying to harness that new up-and-coming talent that is going to hopefully support the industry going forward. When we ask the children and the adults to draw a robot that they've created in their own mind, some of the ideas are just absolutely brilliant.
This is the first time where we've actually sat down and the kids are getting involved building. And it isn't so much building the Lego because they've done that before, but it's when you get to the programming and the motors moving and things like that. I mean, the initial concept of this was that it would be parent and child together. The way it's turned out is we've had parents, grandparents, siblings all working on the same unit. We also tell them a bit about the history of robots, their idea of robots, where that comes from, and then introduce them to what robots are really like in industry as opposed to the ones that you see on television and movies.
The process itself in regards to other funding streams was straightforward. As long as you're, specifically what you want to get from the funding stream you're applying to. And certainly the criteria was mapped out well. It's easy to follow, and certainly the one thing that we benefited from is that you got a quick response. It wasn't a long waiting time. So for other people applying for the funding stream, I would certainly say just know what you want to get out of it first of all. Get involved in this sort of workshop, it's certainly worth looking at.